Hey, this is Michael, Space from spacesbox.com, www.spacesbox.com, www.youtube.com dash spaceacer. Um, this is my second part of the Windows 8 preview release developers copy that they have on developer copy on Microsoft's website. The first part we went over installing the operating system. The second part we are going over what's in the operating system. This is the screen you get to in the second part. I turned the light back on because it's easier for me to see the keyboard and everything else. I configured my user earlier in this first part. Got start, not clickable. Internet Explorer, you click on it, doesn't really do anything. This is something that I don't know if Microsoft knows, but I've noticed this is a mistake. But anyway, we have Internet Explorer Store if you want to go buy apps. I guess this will be coming out when this Metro interface hits the market. Socialize is so you can connect it to your social sites like Facebook. News is for your podcast and anything news feeds. Tweet is for your connection to Twitter. Weather is your app to do weather your location. Stocks is your stocks. If you click on desktop, it'll bring you to the desktop. On the desktop, you don't have anything. You have your folder open down here, and then you also have your Internet Explorer. Over on the right side, you have your solve PC issues. That it's like Windows 7. You have the charge. This is because it's on a laptop. As your internet interface, it shows you're connected to the internet through a direct connection. Your speaker sound. You click on that, nothing will change. And your date and time. I'm doing this on 11/24/2011, tomorrow, and today is Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. Click on the sound. There's a sound icon. You can adjust your sound up and down. And we're going to go back. To get back to the other icon, just click on the little Windows icon. You notice one thing's missing? Yeah, the programs. You click on it and see programs up and down. You don't see that anymore. Okay, so we went over all these. We click over here on the right corner, and it will bring over the next. It'll go news and news feed. You click on it again. It has build, 5, piano, play and play, labyrinth, the puzzle, the pick stream, mod pod, near me, and pick stream. Zero gravity, measure it, alarms, tree stamp pay, click MB, and memories of life. Tube Rider, Word Hunt, Notes, Flashcards, Inkpad, Suku. Notice when I click on it double, it doesn't do anything. The reason why, I think I go in here and add user. Windows Live, it will give you a choice over here. It says Windows Live ID, create user using Windows Live, or more login options. We're going to click on more login options. We're going to go over here and click local account, and then we're going to put space. And then we're going to click next, or your name. Click next, space, and then click finish. Now we go over here, top right corner, click on that. Now we can click off. Change user tile. If we want to, we can click on that. It brings up the control panel. If you have a webcam, you can actually put your picture in here. That's kind of neat. Or if you can browse and find your picture and put it here. You can user tile, webcam. Click on this. It brings you back into the control panel. In the control panel on this, you have personalize, user tiles, users, create your users, and change the password, create a picture password, and create PIN and other users. Right now we have space as my other user. It's a local account. Click on the little red thing. Then we have wireless. This shows your wireless, and this is like when you get on an airplane with it. You have airplane mode. You can turn your airplane mode on and off. It turns off your wireless. And you have wireless Wi-Fi. Is what we have on this laptop. And now some laptops will have, or desktops will have WiMAX. Wi-Fi is on. Notifications. That tells you show app notifications on, play notifications, and it shows you all the apps will have notifications on, whether you turn those on or off. Privacy. Allow apps to my location off. Allow name, amount, and pictures on. Help store better sending Microsoft Web Contact on. App history. And delete history. You got general. That's keyboard. Touch keyboard. Period time. Spacebar sentence. Sounds. Refresh your PC without affecting your files, and reset your PC and start completely over. That's kind of neat. So if you want to just reset your machine to the current state it was in. Oops. We can also get into control panel by clicking the start, clicking control panel, and there it goes. And click on the thing, brings it back. Then we have search, share, send, search, history, and the app history. It's like a mobile phone. Share, history, on your apps that share apps, socialize, and tweet, because you can tweet directly to those apps. Send history, apps, ease of access. So if people are disabled, they have ease of access to the machine. Devices, what devices are hooked up to your machine. Syncing the PC to other machines on the network should be easier. Click on devices, you can add a device. We don't have any devices to add right now. Sync PC, and sync their PCs to other PCs. Themes, ease of access, language preferences, apps, web browser, other stuff, some passwords, Metro data plans, and meter data. Turn that on if you're using like a Verizon, or if you're using AT&T and they don't allow you to have a lot of access to your data. You want to, if you don't want to go over 2 gigs or whatever. Home group, that brings the home group back in. If you're sharing your apps, programs, or whatever, create a home group and let other people join it, or you join your Windows 7 home group. Windows Update is updating updates to Windows 8 and Windows 7. And then if you click on more settings, it's going to bring you back into the old-fashioned control panel. You have system security, network, internet, hardware and sound, programs, user accounts, appearance, personalization, clocks, and ease of access. I kind of like the classic look. I wish they brought the classic look in complete OS, where you still have start programs and everything else, but this preview developer's version does not have that. Okay, we could click back over here, and let's go to Internet Explorer. See, it's now not working. Go over here. We're going to go down to space. Okay, and this is the local account space. Now space is going to be going back over. And one thing with local accounts I've found out is after you start the local account, when you click on the buttons work. And I don't know why you have to create a local account to have the buttons work. And it's taking its time to do the welcome and local accounts right now. This film is unedited. I did do some web searches and download some software so it'd be faster this time around. My GE camera lost battery power, so at the end of the first track, I decided to go ahead and charge it for about an hour, and I had a little dinner because it's about 12 o'clock at night. I'm doing this before Thanksgiving, so I can put it out to Thanksgiving. And this is unedited. I'm going to try and create an edited version, so there'll be 3 copies. There'll be the edited version, and then there'll be the unedited version, which has 2 parts. The first part, installing Windows 8 Preview Developer version, pre-release, and second part is actually after it installs, you see that interface that we are at. And this is the second part. Now, this is unedited, so it's time to prepare your PC, and this is on this laptop. Okay. Since it's taking its time, we're going to go back up here and say, don't forget to check out spacesbox.com at http://www.spacesbox.com. Also, my YouTube channel is http://www.youtube.com/spaceacer. And there it goes. Here we are. Now Space is logged on. If you click on Internet Explorer, Store, Explore Windows, Works. We go to Socialize. And it's not wanting to work. It worked the first time, I don't. Anyway. Then I would change user title. And it gives me a chance to log into my user that's locked. So I'm going to go ahead and let you see this over here. Now we can log back in. Socialize and weather's not wanting to work. I may have to stop the recording because it worked last time when I started clicking. This is developer's copy of pre-release, so I might have been missing something. That's one thing I don't know why. It should just punch and work. One thing was different when you lock the machine. See how this is 12:55 Thursday, November 24th. That it's a nice lock screen. You can change this to whatever you want. To open it, you go with that and unlocks it. Kind of neat. I need to figure out why the apps don't want to work. Do this. Alright, we'll go over here and check this anyway. Over here is my documents. And some people like other documents and other programs. I went ahead and did some downloads earlier today. And they're not in Spaces documents, they're actually my other ones. So I'm going to have to click on this, go over to Space, go back to Michael Gouldy, find my password again. And then go back to desktop, click on that, click on downloads, and some of y'all like, I have a friend that loves Chrome, so we're going to try to see if we can install Chrome real quick. We also have Firefox, and then we have K-Lite Codec Pack. And Chrome is up yet. Let's see. It's still going. I'm going to go ahead and install Firefox. And I'm going to go ahead and run K-Lite Codec Pack to see how videos run on this. One thing that I miss on the functionality of this is there is not Media Center installed. Okay. Chrome looks like it's working fine. Now, we're on Google Chrome. Go to Google. And there's Google. You can also go to my website. And then we have our custom search for Google. I have my tweets, likes, and I'm happy Thanksgiving, giving hope that you have a great day. Please take a good day to rest. Tomorrow's Black Friday. Tomorrow is Black Friday. I'm going to be working, so hope you need a lot of energy and for shopping and relaxing today, so you can work tomorrow. Also, to my friends, I hope you have a great day with your friends and family, and be happy indeed. Best regards, Michael Space at spacesbox.com. Also have easy like and share, so you can like and share the pages you like. And these are my popular content. And then also we have my easy AdSense. If you want to translate into foreign language, you can here. And we also have my latest articles, Happy Halloween, my review of the GT430, Happy Labor Day, articles I wrote. If you go in here and you want to see all the articles I've written, you can go in here and click on Sitemap, and it gives you a list of articles I've written. Close that. Go back to Google. Everything on it's the same. Let's close it. Click OK. Let's go down here. Google Chrome is on the desktop, no longer in the program bar. Mozilla. Install it real quick. Standard interface. Mozilla Firefox.